In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle returns and refunds on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just dipping your toes into the world of online sales, navigating returns and refunds can be a tricky task. So let's dive right in and help you master the process. If you're selling with Facebook Checkout, where shipping is enabled, you first need to be aware of Facebook's built-in buyer protection policies. This essentially means you're adhering to rules that ensure both sellers and buyers have a fair experience. One of the primary aspects of this is the return window. Typically, buyers have about 30 days to request a return if the item is either damaged, not as described, or simply never arrived. It's very important to keep this time frame in mind, as it sets the expectation for when you might need to handle a refund request. When it comes to refunds, once a buyer sends an item back or provides evidence of shipping, Facebook facilitates the refund process directly from your payout. For managing these situations, you'll want to regularly check your Commerce Manager, navigate to the Orders section where you can review return requests. Pay close attention to the reason and any photos provided by the buyer. This step is crucial because it helps you decide whether to approve the request or dispute it if you have solid evidence against the claim. Upon approval, you can either provide a return shipping label yourself or allow Facebook to manage this, depending on how your account settings are configured. And here's a tip to safeguard yourself: always opt for track shipping to mitigate risks in case of a dispute. Now, if you're dealing with local pickups or cash sales, keep in mind that Facebook doesn't mediate returns or refunds for face-to-face transactions. This puts the onus of setting up clear terms between you and the buyer. A best practice in these scenarios includes stating in your listing whether you accept returns. Most sellers lean towards a no returns policy. For high-value items, it's wise to let buyers inspect or test the item before they commit to the purchase. In situations where you agree to a refund, organizing the transaction in a safe public location is recommended. An extra point to consider is, if you're planning not to accommodate returns, a simple all sales final statement in your description helps set crystal clear expectations from the get-go. Finally, safeguarding yourself as a seller involves a few thoughtful steps. Capture clear photographs and write precise descriptions of your items to preemptively avoid disputes. Keeping the entirety of your communications within Facebook Messenger provides an official record that could be invaluable. And, as mentioned earlier, shipping your items with tracking is non-negotiable for any smart seller. Stay polite but assertive when addressing any unfair return requests, like when an item is damaged post-purchase by the buyer. These tips should equip you to handle returns and refunds with confidence, maximizing your success and maintaining smooth interactions within Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!